What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, guys, I'm going to go through the 90% win rate for the Fibonacci Scalper. We're going to review the week, and I have some special hookups for you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned, including lifetime giveaway. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So over $6,000 in gains for me this week, my friends. It's been an amazing month. So far, it's only been a few days, but it seems like every day it's just been working and killing it. And that's how things are in the market. There's times where certain strategies outperform others, but what I always come back to with the Fibonacci is that I'm getting a deal and I'm getting a discount. So when I take those trades, my gains are way bigger because of the fact that I'm getting the pullback. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the week and then we're going to wrap this up. Okay, all right, guys, so here, let's get right into it. We are going to start off with Friday. Okay, so I'm just going to hit the replay here and walk you guys through. So going into Friday, the first candle of the day was a gap up. All right. So one of the things we need to do is identify who is in control at the open. Obviously, on a gap up, guys, the bulls have ran the market up overnight, and this would be reflected in the futures price action. But what I'm doing here with the Fibonacci is I'm not jumping the gun. I'm going to wait to get a clear direction, usually 3 or 4 candles in. Okay, so that's about 20 minutes in. And then here we go, guys. Right here, we can clearly see a beautiful break to the upside. We also see there was an inside bar that broke, and there was a short wick on the first candle. So there is a lot of confirming points that the bulls are in control. So what we do from that point here, guys, is we just take our anchor from our low to our high like this. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and put on the basic settings here. And we're going to walk through just the 618 pullback because that's a strategy that we use. So we are waiting to get the pullback to the 618, and we are seeing here that we're making new highs. So all we do is just move that anchor up, okay? And you just keep waiting until you get that pullback. And if it goes higher, you move it higher. And the reason is you don't want to chase, because if you chase, you're going to pay a very expensive for premiums, especially with options, okay? So let me hop into the Discord now. And I'll go to our Friday. And so you can see right here, guys, at 10:15, we have our Fibonacci bot that helps us get the entries. We drew up the fibs at 10:03 and we got long at 10:15 a.m. And then we were able to get the home run target by 12:18. All right. So let's go in here and back to the chart. So here is our push higher again. So move your anchor and then boom, here's our pullback right there. So there is your 618 fill. So one thing that I want to talk about here, guys, is using your swing low stop loss. So me personally, guys, even though I made that much money this week, I feel like I had too tight of a stop loss on this trade, but I always recommend for new traders to use the swing low. Okay, so here's the 618. And one thing I want to talk about is scalping. So if you get this pop right here, guys, from the 618 right back up here, so this is about almost $1 move, okay, on SPY. Right there, that little scalp, you hit it with options, can make you 10-15% right off the bat. So if you're scalping, you can have a very high win rate because you're just going for those smaller moves. All right. And that's something I wanted to talk about a lot in this video. And when you're doing options, because of decay, I'm going to show you, look how we go sideways for a while here, right? That little pop there can make you good money. But if you sit through this chop on 0 DTE, then you could still lose on the trade. All right. And a lot of you know I trade futures, so it doesn't matter if it goes sideways because I'm not going to lose out on the time. There's no Greeks. And then finally here, guys, we took a little bit of time to build a base, and then we started to squeeze into the end of the day right here. I'll show you guys really nice. And we got that new high right around 12:18, like I said, and into a winner. And one thing that I want to show you here is I'm just going to go ahead and show you a little trick. If I double click on here and I go to style, and I hit the 272 extension, this is my area for reversal. It's one of the strategies that I have for a long time. And if you guys are interested, comment below and hit the like button, and I'll show you how to trade reversals with Fibonacci with 0 DTE. Those are very powerful. The win rate, I think, is a little bit lower, but you can make like 500% plus on a lot of these because you're trying to actually catch the actual high of the day or the low of the day. Okay. And like I said here, you could see we have our bot Everyone's crushing it. Really, really good trade. Okay, so let's move on now. So that was Friday. Okay, so very, very clean pullback, bang, new high, fade the high if you want. Really, really nice trade. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to Thursday. So actually, let's do Wednesday first, and then I'll come back to Thursday because Thursday is a little bit different. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the replay on Wednesday. So what you'll notice here, guys, is we've been very bullish this week, right? So we could see a lot of gaps like this. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the broker statement here, and I'll walk you through this. So I went long at 10:05 within 20 minutes, guys, less than 20 minutes. Okay, we're able to make $1,575.15 after commissions. So the commissions were about $19. Okay, I'm using the MES here. So MES is perfect for small accounts because one micro is only a $5 risk per point. Okay, so you can really grow small accounts using these micros. And what I went for was a 4-to-1 risk to reward. And with this single trade here, so I'm risking about $400 to make close to $1,600. But you could see after commissions, I won't actually get $1,600, but close enough. With a 4-to-1 risk to reward, guys, I only need something like a 16% win rate to make money. And if I hit this one trade, that basically guarantees me a profitable week. Because even if I lose the other 4 trades, let's say I take one Fibonacci trade, I should still be break even. Okay, but you're likely to hit at least 2 on the week. Okay, if you're scalping, even more. So let's go ahead and let me walk you through this trade. And let me hop into the Discord as well. So November 1st. And it's all about having a simple, repeatable system. If you're trading something and it feels complicated and you don't even understand it, it's a marketing ploy to get people confused, to think there's something magical out there. That's really what it is. The simple things that you can explain to someone else are the things you can repeat. And if you can master those, that's what can make you money. So here we go, guys. So we ended up getting long at 10:09. I'm filled 618 long. And we hit the targets, like I said, 10:12, 10:14, and then the final big runner, 10:24. Okay, so 10:20 was the new high of day. So this Fibonacci bot and what we use in the Fibonacci live setups helps to keep things simple. That's the whole point of having a live room, is to help guide members and keep it simple and not get confused. So here we go. Boom, boom, boom. We have that push. Okay, there's that high that we're looking for. Very similar to Friday. We're going to go from low to high like this. We're looking for the 618 pullback. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, no pullback yet. So just move our anchor up to here. Okay, wait for the pullback. Bang, there it is. 10:05. There's the fill. 10:05 long. Okay, and then from there, guys, boom, boom, boom. Beautiful. Out. So this is what, an amazing style of scalping can do for you. Okay, 20 minutes. You hit the options on that, or if you want to hit futures, whatever you want to do based on your account. If you don't want to trade with margins, it's up to you. But that's what we want. That's an ideal Fibonacci situation. So $1,575, guys, cannot complain about that. Okay. So now I'm going to go to Thursday. Okay. And I'm going to go through these a little bit quicker. I don't want this video to be too long. So Thursday, guys, we had a very fast Fibonacci here. If I go, same thing, gap up. Here's our first push. Bang. There's your 618 rip. Okay. So for me, I didn't take this fib because I already had the opening range breakout in the morning. So I took the high of the first bar and I took that break. So that's a different strategy. But, fib really did well on that day. And then the last 2 days, what I really want to talk about here, guys, is the power of scalping with the options. Okay. And let's go ahead. Let's just refresh this. All right, guys. Sorry, I had some technical difficulties there. Let's continue. All right. So here we go for Tuesday and Monday. So what I wanted to show you here, guys, is the power of scalping. Okay. So let's go back to Tuesday here. So here's your first 930 bar. Okay. And we could see we had that push down. Take our Fibonacci from the high to the low like this. So you could see we get that 618 fill. We get a shallow push down. This is where the option players and the scalpers are going to make money in a quick move, right? And then right after that, if we flip this from low to high, right there, boom, we have the 618, and this is what we call the double tap fib, okay? So that's a little bit advanced. I'll be making another video on that, but I just wanted to show you, you could scalp it, bang there, and then flip it, bang, and take it the other way, okay? And then we had a similar situation in Monday. So Monday was the only really true loser where you got filled on the 618 right there, and it didn't hold at all. I mean, if you scalp this, it's a little scalp, but nothing too good. And on the flip side, though, if we go high to low, you see that really nice 618 producing a really good move down. So I wanted to really focus on the power of scalping the Fibonacci's in this video, okay? And let's go back to our summary here. So when you're scalping with the options, you don't need to go for the big home run play, okay? You can just take those quick moves. And in the Discord, we have the Fibonacci bot program for shallow targets as well. So I'm going to get an example. So here, an example like this. 382 target hit, 214 target hit, new high of day. That's how you can scale up, okay? And in my book, The Power of the 618 Fibonacci, on page 53, I talk about scalping using the 618 Fibonacci. So there's a whole section I wrote about that. When you're trading options, you need to be able to get in and out quickly. So what the Fibonacci does, it's a hidden level of support and resistance that you take. You take that level and you scalp it quickly because you want to see a bounce within 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And that could give you 20, 30% gainers right off the bat, okay? All right, guys, so just to wrap up here, right now, I need you to comment and like and comment the word Fibonacci in the comment section to be entered for a lifetime giveaway to the Fibonacci room, okay? You must be a subscriber, but I'm going to give away lifetime access. I told you guys, every time I bank, every time I'm making money each week, I will be giving back, and that's going to be through lifetime giveaways and cash giveaways. So comment, like, make sure you subscribe, and comment Fibonacci below, okay? I also wanted to point out that if you click the join button on this video you're watching, it's $4.99 a month. And I'm doing exclusive perks for the Trading Wars Army. You can join the Army if you want to support. And I do a $50 giveaway every month, and I post exclusive picks every day. The Trading Wars Army members are going to get free access to my upcoming seminar where I'll open the broker and I'm going to show you guys stuff I can't show you on YouTube. Okay, and that's going to probably be within a week or two. So please make sure you hit the join button, $4.99, and I'll send you the Zoom link for the upcoming seminar, okay? And like I said, the lifetime giveaway. So right now, guys, if you liked anything that I talked about today, I'm going to do a 48-hour sale for my Fibonacci book. So normally my book comes with 30 days for free in the Discord. I'm going to be doing 60 days for the next 48 hours. It's $100, and you'll get my book with over 50 charts, 69 pages, and come trade with us live, my friends, all right? And that's it, guys. So I really wanted to talk about the power of the fibs with a scalper perspective, meaning you don't have to go for big, huge targets, but with the options and using that 618 level, you can really put yourself in a good spot to succeed, all right? And always wait for that first 10 minutes at least to help you determine the direction. Don't jump the gun. And that's how you can scalp those levels very, very well and very, very clean, all right? Don't forget to comment like Fibonacci for the lifetime giveaway. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Really appreciate you and looking forward to another great week, all right? I've been probably up 20 grand in the last 2 weeks, and I would like to make more. Why not, guys? All right, let's go. Fibonacci for life. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you again.